The day is 31st of October and I am in the Aravalli mountains of Ajmer trying to find a jump I came across almost a year ago, but I couldn't do it back then. Now I think I'm ready and I'm trying to find it. Kind of late because it's noon, sunny as and I don't know where I am. Actually, the plan was that my cousin was going to take me there because last time I was there with him, but he could not come with me and he said I can't find this by myself, that he needs me, that I need him. That's a lot of rambling, but that's the premise of this vlog. That I find the jump and I do the jump all by myself without his help. If only I could see the jump from the distance, that would make things a hell of a lot easier. But I think, or I really am on the other side of the mountain, so I'm climbing to the top, and hopefully when I have a clear view I might pinpoint the jump. I really do hope though that I'm by the right mountain, because if it is that mountain, not this one, then there's no way I can do it today. Then it would be a big failure and I would have to go home angry. I don't want to do that. Hopefully I am on the right path, because as they say, the universe has always got your back and you are always on the right path, right where you are supposed to be. Even though I'm lost for now and I'm finding my way and the jump, I'm optimistic about it. The trails, they are not always helpful because they sometimes divide further into 3 parts. I don't know where to go, but I'm not here to hike, I'm here to find the jump. So I better choose the right one unknowingly. Hey, let's say, because that's the one, that's the first trail. This is the second trail in the middle, and this is the third one. I reckon we should choose the middle one, right? Makes sense, doesn't it? Maybe. Let's go. Yes, this way. Maybe. Not sure, but I think I'm inevitably moving to the top. I guess that's maybe this point will give me a better view of what's on the other side. No. It doesn't look like it's going to, because I see another mountain right in front of me. Really? Where are we? No, where are we? God damn it. It's like we're back to the same point, except this time the goat herders are not here. And the mountain that was like a landmark for me is also not visible from here. Not making progress for the moment, or how can I know if I am making any progress until I see the place, the spot, the jump. Oh. So when I was coming up, I found a kid who told me that to not go up because there's a fire in the mountain, and he might have been talking about this. Who knows? It's kind of bad because I just managed to get in contact with my cousin and showed him this place. He says that it's not that mountain, it's the other mountain, and I really hope that's not the case, because I'd have to go down and then I can go back up. This is nice, but I'd really like to do what I came here to do. What the fuck? Alright, second attempt. Quick recap what happened last time. So when I reached the top of the mountain, there was, fire. It was not burning anymore, but there was still some fire left on the mountain. And so the forest rangers came. They found me on the top of the mountain, and out of nowhere they started accusing me of setting the fire, intentionally or unintentionally. Like I threw my cigarette or something. I don't smoke. So there was some paperwork involved, and I had to sign those papers. It was some legal shit. I'm not going to go deep into that because I don't want to brag and boast, but they were trying to get me to admit that I did it, but I did not. Otherwise, it would have been a jackpot for them for catching me. But as we descended down the mountain, the herders, they vouched for me, and they told them that I came after the fire started, and there were other two individuals who actually did it according to the herders, and they ran away. So they had to let me go. The forest rangers released me, and yeah, that's what happened. Of course, I did not continue towards the jump because I was on the wrong mountain to begin with. Now we are back, but from a different side, different direction, this time with the same old fucked up guide, this masked menace.
Because you're doing me last time, okay?
Okay, so this time I have my guide with me.
आपके GoPro वाले बैग में डाल दो ना यार.
We are going up the gap. The gap is somewhere in this area. We're trying to find it, and I have nothing interesting to say. 15 minutes in, or maybe more, and we are still looking for that jump, which makes me realize that there was no way I could pinpoint that jump from the top that day, the other day. You found it?
Yep.
Okay, he has found it, coincidentally. Alright, heading towards that. So, we have found the jump, and it's like this to that point, from here to there. I'm gonna do it standing. I feel more comfortable with the standing on this one particularly, and yeah, my body feels warm because of the hike that took us here, and I'm gonna do it barefoot. So I just did a test jump and it went fine, and I have found another bonus jump which I did not really find last time, like this one, from here to there and then from there to there. I tried.
You tried so much fucking hard. But मैं करूँगा ये. I did this one. No.
तूने कर दी?
आया कैसे?
तूने हाथ से यहाँ पे?
हाँ.
कैसे?
कूद गए. Bitch.
नॉनी
हाँ.
क्या?
क्या क्या?
अच्छा कूदा कूदा है.
हाँ. क्या?
तू कहाँ पे कूदा?
यहाँ.
यहाँ पे? उधर से यहाँ पे?
उधर से यहाँ पे.
उधर नहीं कूदा?
नहीं. पागल हो गए?
कैसा था?
मैं जस्ट अपना माइंडसेट क्लियर करके आया था कि मैं कर सकता हूँ and I can do this and just you have to do the same. Just do it. Don't think about the drop.
Okay. I'm coming for this one. Slippery तो नहीं है ना?
Just focus on this part.
Okay.
Not this.
ले मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
No need to pressure. I'm just coming.
Yep.
Just be
It's
there.
nothing. We have to do more jumps. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
No thinking. Just send it.
Yep. See? See?
I can
Maybe.
do that. I can do that.
Yep.
I can definitely.
मैं इसके लिए ready हूँ.
Sweetness! नहीं यार. तूने ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया? After a very tough mental battle, I'm going for it. A lot of unexpected things happened today. Not only did I do the jump which I came here for, but I did a bigger one, and it was one hell of a mental battle. It took me more than an hour of prep, talking, and then I said I can't do it today, and then I was going to pack up, and then came this guy and he just jokingly sent the smaller jump right on the side of the bigger jump, which I was trying to do but failed. And then I was surprised. I did it to myself, the same one as he did. I did that barefoot, and I realized that it's not impactful, and it's also not hurting my foot, because you know, I was barefoot. It wouldn't be this difficult at all if I was wearing shoes. I would have sent it much quicker, but you know, it, as they say, like I told you in the last video, the universe thing, it wasn't meant to, I wasn't meant to find that jump there on that mountain. That day was supposed to be wrong, you can say, just so I could come here with him today and do a bigger jump. And at the same time, this guy also started his parkour journey with a bang. That's a bang, man. 2 years of training myself, I know I couldn't do that jump last time, and he has not even been training regularly. For the past few days he has been training with me, and he goes and does this nature gap with the drop. You don't want to fall in. So moral of the story, it went down exactly as it was supposed to. And this was my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm here in Ajmer. I marked this location with the GPS, and great time here. I am more than satisfied. Thank you for watching. If you are watching, I hope you enjoyed. See you. Peace.